It's late January 2023, getting ready for swarm season. So what I've done is I've made myself a swarm trap, trimmed some tree branches so I can hang this. I've taken old comb, melted it down and painted it onto the frames. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cotton ball, wedge it in the frame, and I'm going to put a little bit of lemongrass on that, and then I'm going to put a little bit right across the entrance, and then I'm going to close it up, and hopefully within the next month or so we'll have a swarm.